Thank you very much, Mentorness, for this opportunity. My name is Fielami Emmanuel David, an intern with batch name MIP-DA-07, topic connecting to external APIs in Power BI. Thank you. These slides contain the introduction, table of content introduction, identifying the APIs, access API documentation, authenticate, set up data source, transform and load data, refresh data, visualize data, publish to Power BI service, and conclusion. Introduction. These slides gives an introduction to the topic and to unlock the power of APIs in Power BI. Here we aim to shed light on the significance of integrating external APIs with Power BI for data analysis purpose. Then we have identifying the APIs. So let's go. Choosing the right API for your specific data analysis requirement and provide example of popular APIs to illustrate this point. This point here, we have the Google Maps API provide access to geographical data and mapping services, while the Twitter API enables retrieval of real-time and social media. So by selecting the appropriate API based on your data analysis needs, you can ensure that you're accessing the most relevant and valuable data for your analysis. They will have access API documentation and authenticate. Access API documentation. The significance of API documentation in facilitating the integration process and provides a specific example to illustrate its content and relevance to the audience. Authenticate plays a significant role in establishing a secure connection to external APIs and underscores the importance of selecting the appropriate method for safe and reliable data access. They will have the setup data source, transform and load data, refresh data. In to set up a data source, instruction on how to configure the data source in Power BI desktop, enabling users to retrieve data from external APIs and leverage it for their data analysis projects. Transform data. This is very important of data transformation in Power Query Editor, particularly when dealing with API data. Loading data. How to load transformed data into the Power BI desktop. But it's very important making a crucial transition from data preparation to analysis. So by demonstrating how to navigate Power BI desktop's users interface to load data. Refresh data. The importance of configuring data refresh setting in Power BI service, particularly for data sets sourced from external APIs to maintain the coherency and reliability of the analysis. Here we talk about the visualized data, demonstration of the analytical potential inherent in API integrated data within the Power BI. Publish to Power BI service, how to publish their Power BI reports to Power BI service and configure automatic data refresh. Conclusion. The transformative potential of API integration within Power BI for enhancing data analysis capabilities and driving informed decision making. Call to action. API integration with Power BI as a catalyst for unlocking enhanced data analysis capabilities and driving organizational success. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Please let me have your comments and your views. Amen.